Hey there, tattoo artists! Check out the Romlon Tattoo Cartridge Needles, a set of 60 assorted standard mixed needles perfect for liners and shading. These cartridges include sizes like 3RL, 5RL, 7RL, 9RL, 7RM, and 9RM, with 10 pieces each for versatile tattooing. Made from high-quality 304 stainless steel and premium plastic, each needle is individually sealed for safety and hygiene. The translucent tips let you see ink flow clearly, while a special plastic membrane prevents ink from leaking into the machine. Compatible with all pen-style tattoo machines, these cartridges twist on easily for quick assembly. Designed for beginners and pros alike, they offer smooth, precise performance for every tattoo project. Plus, Romlon provides excellent customer support to solve any issues promptly. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.